believe me, I still meet a lot of people from all walks of life who ask, what is food insecurity? As a matter of fact, the other day I was joking about something. I'm sorry to go off on a tangent, but when people hear I'm a food security activist, and when them hear that, okay, I'm one of the top activists, especially of color, right? Them go, well, what is that? I find it funny because sometimes I sit and ask myself in my quiet space, say, yo, of all the things that could have become that is sexy, right? What make a this me choose when nobody don't know, right? Because as a youth, you want to be some things where people recognize upon the street, right? Where people walk and go, oh yeah, I am that, and ask you for autograph. Somebody can say I am the top something, and nobody not ask me for no autograph.